Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the science class. Okay, in the previous classes, we were discussed about heat and temperature. So you know well known about the heat and the temperature, and we studied about temperature units, how to measure temperature, measuring temperature using thermometers, and we were studied these things. And then yesterday we discussed and learned about types of thermometers used in our daily life. So the first one is clinical thermometers. Clinical thermometers are used in the clinics, in the hospitals. And then laboratory thermometers are used in the scientific labs. And then digital thermometer, nowadays digital thermometer replace the clinical thermometers. Okay, next we are going to learn about the three temperature scales. So in the thermometer there are three temperature scales are there. So today we are going to learn the three temperature scales. What are the three temperature scales? There are three different temperature scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. So what are they? Already you know about that, then we can recall these things: Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. So first we are going to learn about Celsius scale. So Celsius scale. Celsius is the common unit of measuring temperature, termed after Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius. He invented the centigrade scale in 1742. Before that, it was known as centigrade as a thermometer using this scale to calibrate from 0 degree to 100 degree centigrade. So 0 degree is the freezing point of the water and 100 degree is the boiling point of water. So 0 degree to 100 degree is the scale. So in before the Celsius scale founded. So in Greek, centium means 100 and grades means steps. Both words make it centigrade and later it becomes Celsius. So since 1948, most countries have used the SI or metric unit of conversion as a Celsius scale. Have you understood about Celsius scale? Okay, next, Fahrenheit scale. So Gabriel Fahrenheit, yes, German physicist, and was the first person to use a mercury thermometer in 1714. So before the Celsius scale was found, Fahrenheit scale was invented. So Fahrenheit scale invented by Gabriel Fahrenheit. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. So freezing point of water is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit. If 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point of water in degree Celsius, means it relates, it means 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point of Fahrenheit scale. That is 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So thermometers with the Fahrenheit scale are calibrated from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So in the Celsius scale, 0 degree to 100 degree in the scales of the செல்சியஸ் ஸ்கேலில் நம்மளுடைய அளவீடு வந்து 0லேருந்து 100 வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். பட் இன் த சேம் டைம் Fahrenheit scale, in Fahrenheit scale from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius scale, 0 to 100 degree, 100 scales are there. but in Fahrenheit 32 to 212 there are 180 scales are available. Okay, next one is Kelvin scale. So Kelvin scale is named after William Thomson, Lord Kelvin. So it was founded by Lord Kelvin. That's what it called as a Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is based on absolute zero. It is the SI unit of measuring temperature and written as a K, also known as absolute scale. It's also known as absolute scale or based because it's based on absolute zero. So starts from absolute zero temperature. So from zero temperature, from the 0 degree Kelvin, starting from the 0 degree Kelvin to maximum. Next we can see the temperature of some temperature of something with Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. If boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade means Fahrenheit scale 212 degree centigrade, 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale 373.15 degree Kelvin. Freezing point of water is 0, but in the freezing point of water in Celsius is 0 degree centigrade, but in Fahrenheit scale 32 degree Fahrenheit, and in the Kelvin scale 273.15. This is a very important one because in Celsius 0 degree is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.15 degree Kelvin. Mean temperature of human body oda temperature வந்து 37 degree Celsius is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, at the same time 310.15 Kelvin scale. Room temperature, average room temperature in Celsius is 72 degree centigrade, and in Fahrenheit scale 23 degree Fahrenheit, and in Kelvin scale 296.15 degree Kelvin. So you have to know the variation between the temperature of different scales. So if you have a problem to find out how converting the Celsius to Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius, for that the easy formulas that you have to found. If they given Celsius value, then you have to convert it into the Fahrenheit means, then you can use this formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree centigrade in multiply 1.8 plus 32. So here 32 is a 0 degree freezing point of, so it's a starting from 32 degree, that's what, and then the starting to end, and then if we change the Kelvin into Celsius into Kelvin means, then the formula you can use as Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So this is the starting point of Kelvin. 273.0 is the starting point of Celsius scale, 32 is the starting point of Fahrenheit scale, 273.15 is the starting point of the Kelvin scale. Then if they given Fahrenheit and ask you to find out the Celsius in the Celsius. The conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius means you have to use this formula. Degree Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit value minus 32 divided by 1 by 8. And also if you want to convert the Celsius into Kelvin into Celsius, then you can use the formula degree Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. So these are the formulas used to find out the values, find out the conversion values of thermometer scales. Thank you, children.